What's up, guys? It's Ryan with AOMC and the MXG YouTube channels, and I'm back today. Gonna be a quick video today, just off the cuff. It's not good news, guys. It's something that I think most of us have probably expected for a long time. It's been happening for the last 6 months or a year anyway. It's price increases. So as you guys know, it's part of my job to stay current with moto brands, products, prices, specs, features, all that. And I've been involved in this industry for 20 years, and I've never seen anything like the price increases that I'm seeing now, guys. I'm getting emails multiple times a day, every day, from the same distributors, from the same vendors, letting us know about price increases. They're just constant. And what I hadn't seen yet was one on motorcycles, really. And we got it, man. We got it last week, middle of last week. KTM sent out a memo to all the dealers, pretty much letting us know that the prices were increasing on the memo that dealers got last week was about dirt bikes. So anything from the 50 to the 500 EXC. And KTM's memo said prices were increasing about 4% MSRP. I did the math, and that didn't really seem to be the case. It looked like to me it was more like 4% dealer cost, and the MSRP was anywhere between 4 and a couple of bikes were as high as 8% markup on MSRP. For example, here's a couple bikes I can give you an example of. The electric 50 last year was $5,049. It's now $5,400. One that really jumped out at me was the KTM 300 XCW Erzberg edition. Last year it was $11,500, and now it's $12,400, guys. And this is just across the board. You may not have seen these. Dealers were told to update their advertised price as soon as possible, because these new prices are going to apply to bikes that dealers have already ordered, maybe even bikes that people have deposits down on, or the deals are pretty much finalized, but the bike just hasn't arrived yet. So if your dealer reaches out to you and tells you that the price on your unit has changed by a few $100s, guys, don't be alarmed. Don't be too upset with the dealer, because it's being charged to them. It just sucks. And KTM stated that this was because of supply chain issues and inflation. So I mean, we expected it. I think we're going to see it across the board. I haven't seen any information yet on KTM Street or Husqvarna or Gas or anything else besides KTM dirt bikes, but I assume it would be pretty much the same across the board. So it's just a really weird time for the industry right now. In many ways, COVID has helped motorcycling, got some new people involved, and got some people back involved again, people out riding, outside doing stuff. But I can't help but be worried that in many ways I think it could hurt the industry as well. So 2022 is going to be interesting. It could be really rough. I hope not. If you guys want to help out, just get out and support your local dealers, buy motorcycle parts, go riding. This is the only thing that I can tell you. So I'll keep you guys updated about price increases from the other brands as much as I can. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below, and I'll keep an eye on that section. Thanks so much. I'll see you in the next one.